Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more travel tech reviews. In this video, we're diving deep into Kiwi.com, a popular online travel booking platform celebrated for its innovative tools and budget-friendly prices. You'll find helpful links to Kiwi.com down in the description. Be sure to check them out. Kiwi.com is tailor-made for travelers on a budget who value flexibility and a wide array of travel possibilities. The platform excels at uncovering unconventional routes by cleverly combining flights, buses, and even train journeys, often leading to substantial savings. A key feature is the Kiwi.com guarantee, providing peace of mind by protecting travelers against missed connections caused by delays or cancellations, especially valuable when booking itineraries involving multiple carriers. This adds a significant layer of security, particularly for more intricate travel plans. The platform boasts an intuitive search engine equipped with some truly unique tools. One example is the Nomad feature, designed to assist users in crafting multi-city trips at the lowest possible price. Another helpful tool is the Radius search, allowing you to discover destinations within a specified distance from your starting point, perfect for those spontaneous adventures. With integrated price alerts, you can stay informed about the best deals for your desired destinations, ensuring you never miss a bargain. Kiwi.com also offers a polished and user-friendly mobile app, simplifying trip management on the go. The app grants access to e-tickets, real-time flight updates, and even mobile boarding passes for select airlines. It's a fantastic resource for travelers, consolidating all trip information into a single, convenient interface. For added convenience, Kiwi.com supports numerous currencies and languages, catering to a diverse international user base. While Kiwi.com shines at delivering affordable and creative travel solutions, it's ideally suited for travelers who prioritize flexibility and are comfortable with less conventional connections. Some users have reported that customer support response times can be slow during peak periods, so keep this in mind if you're planning a trip with tight deadlines. To sum up, Kiwi.com is a powerful resource for travelers who value cost savings, unique itineraries, and adaptable travel plans. Its cutting-edge features make it a compelling choice in the crowded online booking platform landscape. If you're ready to explore the world with Kiwi.com, you'll find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!